Alright, so I did come back from family member's house. Gave away 2 pair of Kyries, also some of them Ultra Boost that I got for hella cheap. This one didn't fit. This one did not fit, so yeah, I'm gonna figure it out, dude. I'm gonna figure it out. I think I'm gonna have someone to give this to. Alright. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. And we're doing something that I haven't done in a while. We're doing some raffles. So yeah, let's go see what's up. Normally I can get a little assist on these and I don't have to hit up raffles, but not this time. So yeah, I'm gonna hit up a couple of shoe palaces, and then I'm also gonna, I'll talk about it at the end. I'm gonna hit up Footlocker. I did Dick's Sporting Goods. I did a few others, so yeah, let's see what happens. All right, I only have 30 minutes here because I gotta hit up at least one more shoe palace. I'm only gonna do 2 shoe palace raffles and then the rest of my other efforts. All right, let's go see what we can get in 30 minutes. Westfield Fashion Square, Sherman Oaks. Let's go. UNC5s. All right, I did submit one of these. Look at this. I haven't been out in a few days, so I haven't seen too many of these, to be honest. I haven't seen any of these. These are dope, dude. I love gray and white. I love the gray and white. I'm just spending too much on other stuff right now. Hopefully I can grab one of these. I don't know, maybe at the outlets or something. I don't know. But these are fire. Dude, these are dope. Got them in grade school and I guess what, toddlers? Preschool. But yeah, grade school, preschool, and then yeah, I'm a fan of those. See what's up with this Jordan section. See what's going on here. Damn, I was shaking the camera like crazy, huh? I do got the playoffs. Playoff 13th. Man, I wish I could grab all these, I'm not gonna lie. I really wish I could have these as well. University Blue 1310, that's my size right there. Aqua 5s, but I just can't afford all of it. I just cannot.
Something similar.
Dude got the 7s. Cardinals right here. 6s, I'm told you I'm a fan of these, man. Dude, I really am. 9s right there. 11 low IEs. We've seen these on sale. 150 for these, normally 185. Then we do got a ton of 1s. It's crazy how many we've seen here. I've heard from a lot of you guys, especially from different parts of the country, saying, hey, all these aren't available. Yeah, we definitely are lucky. These are the 5740s, right? 5740s. These seem comfortable as hell. Like, the more I see these, the more I'm starting to like them. Pretty dope to see them on sale. That is fire. These NBA Jams, no sales tag. These are on sale. This is a Chuck 70 too. So this is one of the higher quality ones, not just the regular ones. Go for 30 bucks, dude. 30 bucks. That's definitely a deal, man. Especially if you grew up in the 90s. Speaking of growing up in the 90s, man, I'm telling you, I love these pumps. These are just fire. Yeah, I think these were more expensive than Jordans when they first came out in the 90s. Like, I think these were going for like $160 back then, which is like equivalent of like $300 right now after inflation and stuff like that. These are just fire. I'm a fan of these. They just take me back. Stole these I think for 50 bucks, man. It's $50. And then I did work today, so jeans, t-shirt, that's kind of sort of my uniform, but not really, but I wear it anyways. I was like, whose signature is that? I was like, what is that, Tony Montana? That's funny. Dude got the Scarface Ralph Sampson collab. Pretty fire. Oh, it's a Shoe Palace exclusive. Because I know they do have the rights for the Tony Montana, the Scarface stuff, because they've been doing Scarface collabs and stuff like that. That's pretty dope. Do something different, something that not everybody has. And I thought this was a collab with somebody. Maybe not. Oh, this is the Marathon Continues. That's fire, dude. This is Nipsey Hussle's brand right here. That is fire. That's fire, dude. Something different, man. Puma doing some different stuff. That's pretty dope. Got some old schools right here with the checker mark on it. Timberlands on sale. Got NMDs. Remember how like these were kind of on sale, but not really at the Adidas outlet? Might be the same price here. Like, I don't know. That was weird. Like, Adidas not really putting those on sale too much. But Shoe Palace, look at that. The maroon one's $59.99 or $59.98, whatever. 60 bucks. Not bad. Not bad. They do got my favorite word written down right here. Lakers shirt. I've never seen this Lakers shirt. Lakers Nike shirt go for $30. These are pretty fire, dude. Normally 42. I've never seen that. A little much for me. I've never seen that before. Dude got this Nike fleece Lakers shorts as well. What this going for? This is on sale for $33. Normally $65 down to $33. That's pretty fire. I don't really see what's, oh, it's a XL, oh, double XL, so only bigger sizes left. And then they also got jersey, $70. And this is an AD jersey. All the AD jerseys on sale, medium down to 70. Not bad, not bad. Also got Rams merch on sale también. This is a starter jacket, go for $80. These are normally what, $130 or something like that. So pretty solid deals. Then got this portion of the rack, $20 for this Nike t-shirt. It's all right. It's all right. This is pretty interesting with all the different Nike symbols on it. $20, normally $30. So got some decent sales. Not too bad. Not too bad. Dude, got the Zoom flies. Haven't seen these everywhere. $160. The old school Jason kids. These are fire. Dunks. These are okay. They're okay. $130 for these. Air more up tempos. Ooh, this is, I haven't seen this colorway. Have I? $160 for this one. Material's a little different. Got that tumbleness up top. This is pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Going for $160. Air Max 97s. This is size 13 right here. Raiders colorway. Huge fan of the Air Max 97s. Love that 3M. Got some all whites right here. And then, yeah, these bad boys too. These aren't bad. $100. $100. So what? $70, $80 off. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. All right, I got 15 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Because I need to make at least one more shoe palace before the end of the day. I did work today, so I got held up a little longer than I wanted to at work, but you know, work is work. So let's go. Let's go. I forgot to get my boy Eddie on TV, on the video. Eddie Firth. Check him out on Instagram. He's a comic. He's always dressed dope too. Always dressed dope. Had some Jordans on. Was it the top threes he had on? I forgot to show. Dang it. My bad. But yeah, make sure you guys follow Eddie Firth. He has a show at the Comedy Store, a monthly Comedy Store show, and then he also has a show on Netflix. So go check that out. I'll put that on the side. All right, let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up at Footlocker. Damn, I only got like 10 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. All right, man, we're doing 5-minute visits, 5-minute visits. Let's go see what's up at this finish line. They just got some Jordan 1 lows on the counter. This is where I got these. I got these for $50. All right. I've never even seen this colorway. What the hell? And it's already on sale. Oh, okay, this is the basketball card company. That is fire. That's fire, dude. A little too much patent leather for me, but I'm enjoying that suede up there, and I'm enjoying that discount as well. And then these, I've been seeing these go down and down. Damn, $80 off. That's what's up. And then we do got these. I think this is the Power Ranger inspired answers. Believe so. Yeah, it does show Rookie of the Year, all that time. Oh, this is dope, dude. This is dope. Is this just his Philly color? I don't know, but these are fire. I'm not a fan of the answers though, but this is pretty dope. I like that tongue thing right there. That's fire. Then got these bad boys. Okay. Space Jam's only spot in this mall so far with the Space Jams. Got a few different mids right here. These inside out go for $135. That's an SE, I believe. 7s, 13s, mids, more mids. Mids go for one and a quarter, since those are the regular ones. And some University Blue ones. If you didn't have access to the University Blue 1 Jordan Highs, pretty decent substitute, not too bad. I'm a huge fan of the color blocking on these Air Force Ones right here. Go for $130. I like the gum as well. Pretty dope. If they just used a little bit of, if this is like one of the crafts, maybe. They got the white, the black high at least, and then $130 for these. They got multiple Nike signs on that one, and some canvas ones right here. Canvas with the cracked leather on the side. $130 for these. All right, said we're gonna make it quick. Let's go. All right, we're gonna do one last quick trip here, and then hit up my second shoe palettes. I've covered these quite a few times. Like, I swear these Gills, one of my favorite sneakers here. Don't buy them because I want the price to go down. I swear this colorway, this is the dopest colorway I've seen. These are just fire. I'm such a fan of these. Oh, then the one that I really like, they sold out. I should have bought them. They had my size too, but I was just being cheap. We got some Trae Young ones. I still do want one of these, so I probably should pick up one. Don't remember these. Remember these? Man, dude, these are the ones. If you guys watch all my videos, I got a pair of these for what, $30? Kind of like a Lakers colorway. Such a fan of deals. That is the Infinity Run React Flyknit 3s. Multiple colorways of the LeBron 20s. I didn't even notice when I first saw this. Hey, the Nike signs backwards. This is pretty fire, dude. $2 for these. This one, the material is just amazing on it. Like, such a fan of that suede. The colors, all right, you know, but $210 for that. Slightly premium material. And then the Christmas one right here, going for $210 as well. Okay. And this is the one that's $160, a little bit cheaper. It is, I swear it's like slightly different than, you know, the regular ones, but the next gen, I call these the LeBron, it's the LeBron 20 next gen, right? I think LeBron 20 next gen. But yeah, it's a little bit cheaper, dude. Got these bad boys. I swear I should get one of these with the Concord. The Concord lows are sold out almost everywhere. 13s, we got the ones right here. 7s, lows, mids, 11 low IEs over there, all separate from all the rest. All right, pretty quick trip. I gotta go. Got one more Shoe Palace to hit up. Man, this sucks not having hookups, man. This is some garbage, man. Oh, Raiders hoodie right here. Normally 100 down to 60. That's fire. Remember, with these, if you happen to have a survey coupon too, you know, you could use the survey coupon because it is $60. The survey coupons, the item has to be at least $50 for you to be able to use that $10 off. But yeah, they got the Cowboys. I don't know why I couldn't even say it. They do got the Cowboys ones right here. Got some medium. Got a large right there for the Cowboys. Got some Pittsburgh Steelers ones right here, and then Cowboy shirts going for $30. These are pretty dope. These are normally $50 down to $30. And then the Raider ones as well. These are pretty fire. $50 down to $30 for those. So not bad. All right, let's go. I gotta go. Sorry. Burbank Town Center. It's raining. Got 15 minutes left. All right, do one more raffle. Look around the store and let's wrap it up. All right, last store, H&M. By H&M, I mean Shoe Palace. All right, let's go, man. Let's go. Got my second one here. And then they got, what the hell? They got dunks? These are, oh, this is a women's. Women's 7 right here. That's pretty insane. All white. You really can't go wrong with all white. That's pretty fire. Then the Jordan section right here. I think they pretty much have the same stuff as the last one. Ooh, they do have the reverse Laney ones right here. Dude, got these bad boys. These are pretty dope. If you're a Golden State fan, you know, that might definitely be something that you're looking forward to. That's fine. That's fire. That is fire. And then I think that's about it. The Jordan 11 low IEs on sale. They did have a pair of the Concord 1 lows, but I think someone just purchased it because I didn't see it at the counter anymore. I think they just had one size up. I guess someone grabbed it. I really think I'm gonna regret not getting them, but it is what it is. I've gotten so many sneakers that I didn't anticipate getting, so I've been trying to cut down, but I've still gotten a lot more than I wanted. They do got these bad boys. These are pretty much the 84 Forum lows. These really are, well, technically they're not, because this is just the Shoe Palace special. It kind of shows when Shoe Palace came out. This is Shoe Palace exclusive. My bad, Shoe Palace exclusive. Leather is pretty much the same as the 84 ones. These are super dope. You know, $100. Probably gonna have to grab them eventually. They had the brown one too. Did they sell out here? The brown one sold out, dude. See, but look, that is the $100 one right there. And then this is just the regular one with the like horrible leather, and this is $100 too. So yeah, that one's just way doper. The aged leather or the aged midsole, I'm not the hugest fan of, but still way better quality. Then got these bad boys right here. Like they're okay. Buck 10. Ultra Boost on sale. NMDs. All right, guys. I'm like all of you guys. I'm putting the work in trying to get these Jordan 5 University Blues. I don't have any hookups. You know, sometimes I can get assistance. This one not really working, so yeah, I'm putting in the work just like you guys. I only had time to go to 2 different Shoe Palaces. Obviously, I would have liked to go to like 4 or 5 or all of the ones in the San Fernando Valley at least, but I just didn't have time like that. So yeah, I only had time to hit up 2, you know, because work got in the way. But that's life. So I'm gonna try that. I'm also gonna be trying, obviously, on release day. Obviously, I tried other online raffles. I did put in for raffles at Footlocker. I also did put them in for champs. I did try Hibbett Sports. None of the local Hibbett stores did get any of the Jordan 5, so I wasn't able to put on that. But I did try all the other ones. I tried Dick's Sporting Goods as well. I've never, I think that's a new one, so I've never seen that before. I did also put it in Cheeks. Cheeks didn't have an in-store raffle for this, I don't believe, but I did put it on online for Cheeks. I also tried SNS, and I tried a couple of local shops, but yeah, I just didn't really get a chance to put in as much effort as I wanted on these. I wasn't able to wake up early enough to get the exclusive access on JD Sports as well as Finish Line, so that didn't really work out. You know, I heard that it actually wasn't too bad this time. People were actually able to get in and stuff, but yeah, I wasn't able to do that. So we'll see. Shoe Palace has not called me. Neither of those have called me. Sometimes they do it on Thursday, so I'm hoping it's one of those situations. But if I don't hear from them, I will be going on release day just like all of you guys. So I'm gonna be trying Footlocker. I'm gonna be trying champs. I'm gonna be trying sneakers. I'm gonna be trying maybe I'll try DTLR. I'm gonna be trying all those, and we'll see what happens. I'm definitely not wasting my time on the Shoe Palace website, because their website is awful. It's like one of the worst ones. A Better Generation, they have like something weird where they do it on their app, but they only give you 3 minutes. You know, so I'll probably mess with that one. I'm gonna be trying on release day if I'm not able to come up. So we'll see what happens. You know, if I don't get them, it won't be the end of the world, but I do have a lot of the University Blues. I do have the 1, 2s, I have the 3s, I have the 4s, I have the 6s, and then I also have the 11s. I was hoping to grab those since I already have the other University Blues, but we'll see. By the time you guys watch this, I think the Alma Maniers, those are gonna release as well. I think they have that at 7 a.m. Pacific time, I think 10 a.m. Eastern. So I'm gonna try to go for those because I want all the Alma Maniers. So we'll see. And if I get them, that's cool. If not, you know, I don't know, maybe I could trade for them. I know resale's not crazy on these. I don't want to pay resale, but you know, we'll see. Also, I did forget on release day. Remember, if you don't hit on any of the places, you remember Finish Line, JD, you see they release their pairs at 5 p.m. I think Footlocker is usually the next morning, so there's also a leftover day. You can always try that. Remember, once in a while, Shoe Palace and some of the other shops, they'll get extra pairs, so you can always go in there and ask if they have any extra pairs. Some of them will look like you don't know what the hell you're talking about, but it happens, and I've gotten extra pairs, so it is what it is. So we'll see what happens. If I get them, cool. If not, it's not the end of the world. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Good luck on these if you guys are trying to grab them. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. And make sure you click that little bell next to it, the notification button, because you need to get notified. I do drop tons of videos. I did get my hands on these bad boys, the Jordan 3 Reimagines. I haven't had a chance to open them up today, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a review out to you guys tomorrow. I also have another video talking about where I grabbed all the heat that I've grabbed, or all the steals that I've grabbed for this year already. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.